What's this? Not a balance. That's a scale.
Fuck over there.
What's this?
Mixer. Grinder.
This one?
Mixer.
Tumbler massager. If you want a massage, I can dunk it and then vacuum you. The longer the time, the better. You can turn it at a nice angle, and also we can impose a vacuum there so it can tumble you, vacuum you, and when you come out there, you'll be spanking brand new and really tender. So, tumbler massager. This one here. Mixer. It just mixes. What does it mix? Mixes things, right? Mixer. How about
We're just famous.
this one? It's got two components. The top component mixes. If you open this tube here, big grinds, as I was trying to demonstrate in class, what you have here is a bigger contraption. This is a miniature here. Bigger contraption that you screw on there that enables you to extrude your ground product, so you can change the sizes of the holes here, depending on whether you have a fine ground or coarse ground product. The designs are pretty nifty. You see that groove there? That groove is there for a purpose. If you want to separate residual cartilage, bone, and what have you, there's an auger there that's going to be forcing that product, and then that groove will actually pick those solid particles, bone, cartilage, and then they'll be put through that groove there, and out here you have a tubing. Plus having that tubing that you attach there, so you can actually divert stuff like bone and cartilage into some other container that you can throw away. This one here, it's in the shape of a bow, and it cuts your meat. Bone chopper. It is cool. The teeth are right there. It will be revolving. You can vary the speed and also the time, depending on the formulation of your product, whether it's going to be coarse ground or fine ground. You can regulate that depending on the speed you run it and the time. How about this one here? Double chamber or dual chamber vacuum sealer. It's got two chambers, so you can call it double chamber or dual chamber vacuum sealer. How about this one here? Sausage stuffer. You call it a sausage stuffer if you're using it in the sausage industry. If you're in the dough industry, it will be a dough stuffer. If you're in the ice cream industry, it's an ice cream stuffer. But the common name is extruder. Here we call ours a sausage stuffer. You can call it a vacuum, whatever sausage stuffer, but it's just a sausage stuffer. At one time we linked the sausage stuffer to this machine here. Links and cuts sausages. What would you call it?
Linker.
Linker, cutter. It links and cuts. That's a linker cutter. How about here?
Smokehouse.
Smokehouse. Or environmental chamber. What do you do in a smokehouse?
You smoke.
You don't smoke all you eat in there.
Yeah.
You can make your beef jerky, you can make your fermented sausages, you can also cook and smoke. So it is really multi-purpose, depending on what product you're manufacturing. What else do we have here? We have this contraption here. What is this?
Cuber.
A what?
The cuber.
A cuber, a tenderizer. It's got three names. It's a cuber, it's a tenderizer. What else? Macerator. Macerator, tenderizer, cuber. What else do we have? We have a bunch of different pieces of equipment here. What is this?
Table scraper.
Table scraper. How about this one here?
Meat scraper.
Does it have any other name?
No.
Any other name? Bone scraper. Meat scraper, bone scraper. How about this one here?
Steel.
Not a sharpener?
No.
Straightening steel. Steel, straightening steel. There are some sharpening steels, but these ones are not for sharpening. This is just for straightening. So you can call it a straightening steel, our accent, steel. And then we have a variety of other contraptions here.
Hook.
Hook. What kind of hook?
Meat hook.
Captain.
Meat. Hook. I can't get it in here, man. Then we have this little contraption here.
Blade.
Let's just call it a knife. Blade is something that doesn't have a handle, it is just this bit of metal hand. Alright. This thing has components or parts. What's that there?
Tip.
Just like your shoe, right?
Yeah.
Tip, what's the other name? Tip and
Point.
point. And then like the shoe.
Heel.
Heel.
What is that there?
The butt.
That is the heel. That's the point. And what is this thing here?
The blade.
That is the blade. What is this?
What?
That is the back of the knife, right? What about there? I'm scared of getting there. What could that be?
The edge.
It's the cutting edge, all right? It is a cutting edge. What about this?
Handle.
That's the handle. You guys know a lot of stuff, right?
Yeah.
How about it?
Scabbard.
Holster?
Scabbard.
Scabbard. Okay. How about that one there?
Bandsaw.
Handsaw.
Bandsaw. There's that other one we use.
Handsaw.
Use your hand.
Handsaw.
Handsaw. You call it a handsaw. Ready for action, right?